Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today in this video I'll show you what is the auto and manual lens selection on your Pixel 8 Pro. So what happens on the Pixel 8 Pro, you have three different lenses on the back. So this is the regular lens, and this is the wide angle, and this is the zoom, which is the optical zoom. Now when you're using auto mode, then the lens just selects whatever you are focusing on, or whatever you are trying to take a picture, and it just does everything automatically. So for example, if you take a look here, then you can see that everything's automatic. There's no lens choice. And if you'd like to select manual lens selection, then you have to set to go to pro selection level. So what you do, you're going to just click on the settings, which is right here, and then this is going to give you general and pro. So if you choose the pro setting tab, and then here's the lens selection, and you can see that right now it is auto, so you don't have no control. Camera is controlling what type of lens it should be using. But if you select the manual, and then if we go back to the main screen, okay, so now you can see that you have access of three different lenses, which is the ultra wide, the wide, which is the regular, and the telephoto. So basically before, when everything was in auto mode, these were selected by the camera, but now you can control which one you'd like. For example, you can switch from ultra wide to wide or to telephoto, and then that's the lens the camera is only going to be using based on your choice. So that's how you can control the auto and manual lens selection on your Pixel 8 Pro camera. For the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.